Your company is BMW.
Yes, sir.
So, how many employments have you provided?
Yes, a lot of things. Yes, I provided BMW car, BMW car. Not a corruption. Not a corruption.
Sir, do you pay taxes or not?
Yes, sir. I pay taxes.
What is the difference between ITR and GST?
Tax ITR is the ruler.
Oh my God! United States of India. You think that you will be winning today or they will be winning today?
Inshallah, definitely we will win.
Sit down. Go. Hana, you're wrong. You're wrong.
Carefully, sir. Really listen me carefully.
All right. Can we? Yes, sir. ठीक है. पर एक जज्बा नहीं दिख पा रहा है आप लोग का. वो जो बोलने वाला अंदाज, ऐसे सिर्फ डेटा पे सिर्फ डेटा ही रह जाएगा. वो डेटा तो आप अपनी बैच में भी बोल सकते हैं. I want that जज्बा. I just want that रुतबा. All right. So everyone, get up and do rehearsal in front of your team members that I will speak like this, I will speak like this, okay? Just like a rehearsal. Get up everybody. After introducing yourself. Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am from Chhattisgarh. I am MP of Chhattisgarh. My question is to all these people, why are you changing the name? ऐसे बोलना.
I am MP of Chhattisgarh.
हाँ. छत्तीसगढ़ का मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है भाई. और क्या एमपी है आप, तभी तो बात करने आए हैं पार्लियामेंट में. एक्सक्यूज मी. सर्कल. All right. So first of all, let us do preparation of Jazbat. Right? Come on. How will you blame them?
Yes, it happened. Where is your Prime Minister Modi?
Yes.
Where they provide the safety? We are facing the, as a girls, we are facing the.
Ukta Bharat Jindabad. Very nice. Okay, ठीक है. Safety. Unemployment. Who is talking about unemployment? Blame of unemployment.
In this time, unemployment rate only 6%.
लाओ दे उधर जाओ. बीच में सबको blame करो. Blame.
In this time, unemployment only is 6.9%. Or in previous government only.
ले आओ. My dear Sabhapati Mahoday, listen to me. My dear Speaker, listen to me.
In this time, biggest scam of this country is the electoral bonds. Please tell me about the electoral bond. What is this? This is the biggest electoral bonds. This is the biggest scam in this country.
Come here. On which thing are you gonna blame? Yes, you have list, na? But content नहीं लिखे होंगे ना? Content भी. Wow. You should tell. What are you gonna talk about?
Sir, I want to talk about unemployment because in Gorakhpur, laborers are and many agriculture workers are dependent on agriculture, and there are problems of Nepal. There are many floods in every season.
Very nice.
Originating from Nepal. I want to talk about
Originating or migrating?
originating from
ठीक है. Okay.
originating from Nepal into Gorakhpur. That's why there are lots of seasonal.
And this government is failed. This government is failed in this. हाँ ये blame इतना मुस्कान के साथ बोलेंगे गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. यहाँ किस और क्या प्रपोज करने के लिए थोड़ी खड़े हैं. आओ come on. Exactly. Yes.
Yes, my name is Azam Khan. Today I am going to talk about.
Dear speaker से बोलो. My dear speaker.
My dear speaker, I am going to talk about casteism.
Speaker से थोड़ा मोहब्बत से बोला. My dear speaker. Right. My dear speaker.
My dear speaker.
This government
is not doing anything else. Only they are focusing on vote banking. They are doing casteism. That is why they are winning. And they are not focusing on the minority. Only they are focusing majority.
Ukta Bharat.
Our government, Ukta Bharat, is focusing on everything. That is why they are not ruling. And people is not understanding because they are also not focusing on the education.
Yes.
And they are not.
Do rehearsal. Who's this? Is this yours? Yes. Is this yours? Ariba, rehearse. Anjali, go rehearse. Hey guys, अरे current government. You guys, कमजोर पड़ रहे लग रहा आप लोग. Okay, tell me one development.
We have started the Agra Expressway.
Say first of all, digitalization. Yes, sir.
We have started Agra Expressway. The person who was living in Lucknow.
That was the policy of other government. Kohli and I will not take the name. They will
Policy of us. This is the policy of us. We have started Agra Expressway. The person who was living in Lucknow, they can taking 8 to 10 hours for reach the Agra. But in our
गाइस आप लोग मोहब्बत से एक मजाक उड़ा देना कि माय डियर स्पीकर सभापति महोदय दे आर शाउटिंग गल्ली दे आर शाउटिंग ऑलराइट किस बात का इनको गुस्सा है इनकी हार का गुस्सा है राइट
Day by day opposition party has removed because of no need of opposition party because we are doing good work.
Yes of course yes what do you want to say
Sir, I will tell about the like digitalization. Because of digitalization, the rural areas people are getting more benefit. Whether it's about like a student or about the housewife. Housewives is also getting the benefits with the help of digitalization. They are earning
इसी
the
बीच
money.
में अगर कोई डिस्टर्ब कर दिया आपको तब क्या करेंगे आप
Shut up. Firstly, listen to me. You don't have patience to listen to me. This is the beauty of
अच्छा
the.
कुछ लोग डांट सकते हैं कुछ लोग मोहब्बत से कुछ लोग डांट के sit up sit down राइट कुछ लोग my dear speaker I will not speak I'm sorry they cannot bear my statements
They don't have tolerance about how to bear the voice of women.
exactly
And they,
आराम आराम और जैसे आप बोलेंगे हो सकता कोई डिस्टर्ब करेगा आप बोलेंगे my dear speaker I'm going जाने लगा I'm going I can't sit down here these people are shouting वाले I can't speak तो लोग स्पीकर हो सकता है जो भी रहेंगे अरे sit down no my dear speaker they are shouting वाले वो चिल्ला रहे हैं सिर्फ I cannot speak अब कुछ तारीफ जैसे क्या तारीफ में आपने क्या सोचा है क्या बोलने के लिए हाँ ruling party like you are from United States of India so one thing
Speaker sir, you can see at this time any terrorist is not coming in this our country. But when this opposition party ruling in my country, then many terrorism were coming in my country. And sir,
चलो कोई डिस्टर्ब कर दिया sit down क्या कहेंगे नहीं वो कहेंगे sit down go है ना you're wrong
carefully sir, please listen me carefully.
फिर भी shout कर रहे हैं shout
Because you are opponent and you are lost her sir.
you have lost election
You have lost election sir.
yes
You have
shout कर रहे हैं वो चिल्ला रहे हैं क्या कहेंगे
you have only 50%. You have only
नहीं आपको ड्रामेटिक थोड़ा आना पड़ेगा अपनी पर्सनालिटी को अकॉर्डिंग आपको ड्रामेटिक होना पड़ेगा वो चिल्ला रहे शाउट कर रहे हैं आपको सुनना नहीं चाह रहे क्या कहेंगे आप व्हाट विल यू से
please sit down sir.
सिट डाउन नहीं कई लोग चिल्ला रहे होंगे आप
अच्छा
क्या कहेंगे आप
sir I cannot.
आप अपना बैग उठाना जाने लगा ना आई एम गोइंग थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक बनो
sir I am going sir. Speaker महोदय sir I am
उठा
going.
लेना पूरा पैक करके जाने लगना स्पीकर खुद ही रोकाएंगे आपको
Sir speaker महोदय sir I am going because
चलो ठीक है हम लोग शाउट
I cannot speak sir.
ओह नो दिस इज रॉन्ग अब आप क्या कहेंगे व्हाट विल यू से
Sir
आप हमें लग रहा कर ही नहीं पाएंगे उस समय
I cannot sir. I cannot speak sir. I cannot speak sir at this atmosphere because when we opponent sir then we support sir we
We should
support
support yeah exactly हाँ सर अरे बोलो रुको कौन है यू गए रिहर्सल नहीं पूरा इंग्लिश से चले हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मिला के क्या बोलोगे
Sir, we have provided Jammu.
We have provided
Kashmir expressway, Kashmir to
Sonmarg tunnel
Sonmarg and Kashmir to Kanyakumari
Yes.
expressway, and we have deal to Rafale, and we add artillery.
you should thank us
You should thank us, yes, sir. And
जज्बा और ले आओ जज्बा Sabina
Yes, we are provided girls safety, women safety. Guys, you think about the before 2014. We saw the like rape capital, Delhi, and we are we recently saw the situation of Lucknow. More safety of their.
जज्बा लाइए पॉइंट
In our country,
वो शायरी तैयार कर लो
yes, in our government, we are making our government, India as a more powerful in this world because nowadays every country want to make a relation with us. We are making a relation with us, and because we are more powerful, like previous.
Earlier we were not powerful, but because of this United States of India, we are powerful.
नहीं आफ्टर गवर्नमेंट इसके
अरे हमारी गवर्नमेंट की वजह से है ना पावरफुल, तो बोलो बिकॉज ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया वी आर पावरफुल। हाँ, अपनी पार्टी का नाम लेना पड़ेगा ना, बिकॉज ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया वी आर पावरफुल।
But before United States of India, ruling party,
India was not powerful.
India was not powerful, and our leader of the India, they are behind other leaders always. But nowadays, he is the first person. Nowadays, he is the first person from all leaders.
Yes, because of all the MPs. Start करते हैं. Because of all MPs, member of parliament. Behind us. It's okay. It's okay. Come on.
Yes.
So what do you think? Which government is the best? Oh my God! Arey wait!
United States India.
Okay. This party is United States of India, and this is Rising India, right? Yes. Ukta Bharat. Yes, Ukta Bharat. United States of India. Very nice. Excuse me. What happened? It's okay. All right. So I would like to ask Miss Ariba, please come here. So finally you have prepared and you have empowered and uplifted people talking about so many things. So you are today from opposition party and you're going to blame so many things about, ruling party. So what do you think, that you will be winning today or they will be winning today?
Inshallah, definitely we will win.
So, which masala have you used actually for winning
We
today?
will talk all the corruption we have done. They have done.
They have done,
Yes,
right?
sir, they are,
Corruption.
still they are doing.
Oh, excuse me. Oh my God.
Shame on you.
They are still doing.
Sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I just want to say one thing. If they are not aware their name, party name.
Oh my God. They don't know the party name. She doesn't know English, right? She doesn't know English. Wait. Sir, come here. Okay, ask him the name of the party.
What's the party name?
United States of India. My party's name.
And from
Bihar MP.
That's the reason what I'm talking about.
Sir, without becoming MP, he has come in the parliament. You are not MP. Yes. Okay, sir, please come here. First of all, congratulations that you are actually today representing ruling party. Yes, so first of all, tell me that what masala have you used today to win?
Sir, we have lots of masala because they have only one masala, how to shout to other. We don't believe in shouting, we believe only in working.
United States of India!
Sir, we have seen their work, sir. We have already seen their work, what they are doing, sir.
Ma'am, India is saying that's why we are here third time.
Because of election घोटाला.
I can understand
Sir,
your feeling.
because of voting
I
corruption.
can understand your feeling, ma'am.
Stop fighting. So what do you think? You have so many datas?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? You have so many datas? Excuse me, camera person. Dear viewers, come on, hit the like button and do subscribe as well. इस तरह के zeals, इस तरह की enthusiasms, इस तरह का उत्साह बस चाहिए बुलवाने के लिए, बस इस तरह से जो हम लोग लड़वा रहे हैं बस सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंट करने के लिए. Come on, do subscribe and share with people as well. Subscribe. All right. Are you ready now? Yes, sir. 100%? Yes, sir. Okay, fine. You are from?
Azamgarh.
Oh! Wait! I asked him, where are you from? He said, I'm from Azamgarh. Oh my God!
Of Azamgarh, na sir. Yes, sir.
What is your party name?
United.
Oh, he doesn't know. Sir, you are very takla bakhad. Why are jumping
I'm
chapa?
MP of Bahraich.
What is the BMW?
BMW is my company, sir.
Oh my God, cameraman, focus here. Okay, your company is BMW.
Yes, sir.
So, how many employments have you provided?
Yes, a lot of things. Yes, I provided BMW car. Not a corruption. Not a corruption.
Sir, do you pay taxes or not?
Yes, sir. I pay taxes.
What is the difference between ITR and GST?
Tax ITR is the ruler.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, President is running! President is running! Do you know ITR? What is ITR?
ITR.
Yes. Oh! Oh my God!
My party member.
Please.
RTR is taking, if anything business is taking, then every month and
Every month ITR! ITR every month?
it is a business.
Income tax return! Please! Income tax return. Alright. By the way, now guys, let us sit down and do Bambari of talk, guys.